If you're not following me on Twitter at Totalini, then you wouldn't know that I presented a challenge to AfroSenju, one of my favorite YouTubers of all time. He makes great videos, but he has a bit of a consistency problem, so I was confident that he couldn't upload for 2 weeks straight, and that if he did, I'd recreate one of his old videos and eat a muffin shirtless for an entire video. The result? Do I have titties? This is gonna be a while. My mouth is dry. I'm getting crumbs everywhere. I haven't worked out in 8 months. I used to have pecs. These aren't man boobs by any means, but they're kind of flabby, which depresses me. I'm probably gonna go work out after this. You're wondering what this is? I don't know either. Could be cancer, who knows? I could really go for some water. This was so much worse than I thought it would be. God, I hope I didn't fuck up this recording. I have to eat another muffin. Oh God, I'm almost getting messy. I'm a man of my word. Well, to be fair, Afro only ate it for 20 seconds. But I ain't no bitch. Oh God. Oh, I gotta get a vacuum in here. Oh God. Oh fuck me. Alright. That's the video. I don't ever want to do that again. It got everywhere. Oh fuck, I was still recording.